Hi, this is Sony ICF-19 FM AM radio. I wanted to buy this radio from a long time. I had used it 2 years ago, and here we have it again. Sony ICF-19. This is the box that the radio came in. Long battery life, 400 hours, big sound. And on the top of the box, we have the brand logo and the product code ICF-19. Here on the side we have the same information but color coded with black background, and this is made in China, but this is from Sony Corporation 2017, Japan. Cool. I have opened the box, and this is the user manual that I found in the box. This is pretty basic, as we usually have with the new Sony radios, uh, about the battery and the band switch, the LED light indicator, earphone, and yeah, we have to use it away from the strong electrical noise. And this is the earphone plug. This is stereo, but yet the sound is mono. But it sounds on both the ears, unlike the other radios that we did unbox. This is the carrying strap that Sony included in the box. Not sure why did they include such a cheap material, but it does its job of carrying the radio. So let's bring on the radio. This is the packet that it came in. I have used it, not kind of used it, but I have turned it on, and I have heard FM and AM couple of times. This is how it looks from the front. A big speaker, sound is very good. Sony logo and the white tuning dial, AM and FM, and the contrast white tuning dial with black color is very cool. This has on-off AM FM switch selector. On the top we have the brand ICF-19 AM FM. On the left side there is nothing. On the right we have a tuning knob and the volume control knob. Earphone experience on this radio is very nice on FM. On the bottom we have the Sony model number and the other informations. This is the telescopic antenna for FM reception. It rotates but not 360 degrees, maybe 230 or 210. But then it really helps grab the FM radio stations. This is how the radio looks from the back side. This is the battery cover, and we have our 3 D cell batteries, Amazon Basics alkalines, and with the battery included, it is quite heavy to hold on. Let me turn off the LED light and we will do a quick AM scan on this radio today. We will start from 530 kilohertz and we will move up to 1700 kilohertz. I think this is a radio station from Kerala. No, this is Alapi. This is Kerala Alapi. And the one that we heard before, it was Mumbai, Maharashtra. This is local radio station. Let me try to tune Mumbai, Maharashtra and see if I can get it. It is quite weak, but it is still audible. Yeah, this is Mumbai, Maharashtra. Wow, cool. And this is coming quite good today. Nice. It is really hard to recognize the station here because of the small dial and this is Hyderabad, I guess. Correct. This is 765 All India Radio Dharwad, and even this is coming very nice. This is catching the noise from the camera here. Wow, this is something new. We found a Chinese station on medium wave. Wow, haven't heard this before on medium wave. Good job, Sony. Well, this is AIR Gulbarga 1107 kilohertz, 20 kilowatts. Well, this was the AM band scan, quick band scan on Sony ICF-19. Well, my thoughts after doing a quick scan, this is a very well built, very nice sounding and very beautiful looking radio. We will definitely do a AM scan, complete band scan in the future, and I just want to show you how good it performs on FM band as well. Uh, Quite a few thoughts that I have about the AM band is it kind of falls peaks the station, and we have to move the dial up down to uh, select the station. Selectivity is good, but then we have to move the dial scale up down to get into the station. And the false peak thing, I saw it on the Panasonic 562D. Yeah, and even this radio gave a false peak of few stations, but then it grabbed all the weak stations very well and it locked to the station, which was very nice. And we found a new Chinese station on medium wave today on Sony radio. I have never heard that station before on AM band. So overall, very good performer on AM band. And if you are looking for a radio to buy, I think this one would definitely fit in. Uh, it costs about 3,400 on Amazon currently. You can go buy this radio from Amazon. Uh, that's all in this today's video. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and thank you for your time. You guys have a good day.